Bonjour, I'm Florence Azria. Thank you for joining me on my show. Today we are going to bake a very fun recipe, the stunning Golden Sables. Let's make it happen. First, let me tell you the story of what Golden Sables is. It's basically a butter cookie, but we call sablé because in French, sable means sand. So sablé is sandy, and they have that little texture when you mix the flour, the sugar, and that give them that little sandiness, but very soft. We love to dip them in warm coffee at any time of the day. Cut the butter into small pieces, melt it in a bowl over simmering water with a pinch of salt. So each ingredient comes separately. So we're going to do the butter first. Then I am going to add the sugar. Two pinch of vanilla powder, 1 egg white, then I'm going to take this and add my flour, 225 grams, and gently by hand I'm going to add it. See, I have to make sure that it's fully incorporated. You can use also the paddle attachment if you don't want to do it by hand, but I like to keep control of what I'm doing, kind of. The reason why we use confectioner sugar, it's because we don't want the too sandy feel. Okay, so here they are, ready to be piped. So now I'm going to use a piping bag. A piping bag with a star tip and parchment paper on the baking sheet. So my least favorite thing to do, fill up the piping bag. I don't fill it to the top because, the dough is still a little, even if it's stuffed, it's still a little tricky to pipe, so you don't want to overfill the bag. So you can pipe any shape you want. I like those, but anything you want. Be creative. That's all you want. They will always taste the same anyway, but just the design that you decide to do. Voila, they're done. Now I'm gonna bake them for 15 minutes at 300 degrees in a convection oven. Let's make it. And voila, perfectly golden and beautiful petit sablé. Oops. Now I'm gonna transfer them into their plate. So it's very warm, so I'm gonna go with the tip of my nail. What I like to do is I always do a little powdered sugar to give them even a more luxurious look. Here you go, the perfect little golden sablé. All golden and pretty and delicious. Ready to try? Quel délice! Heaven on earth. Et voilà! I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. We're releasing a delightful new recipe every Thursday. Stay tuned. Au revoir.